Here is your 2025 updated guide to 55 plus retirement friendly communities here in Southwest Florida. If you saw my 2023 video on 55 plus communities, you are going to love this 2025 update. As of July 2025, some things have changed. Today, I'm giving you the most current home prices, HOA fees, floor plans, and lifestyle perks for some of the most popular communities in the area. You know, if you are dreaming about warm weather, resort-style living, and a vibrant community of active adults, this video is for you. So let's dive in. First up is Pelican Preserve in Fort Myers. Pelican Preserve is one of the most established and amenity-rich 55 plus communities in Southwest Florida, with approximately 2,500 homes and 11 different home collections. There is something for everyone at Pelican Preserve. They have condos, villas, and estate homes, and the different floor plans offer from 2 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms, as well as cable and lawn service being included. Life in Pelican Preserve revolves around the town center. This community has a 70,000 square foot clubhouse, a movie theater, an art studio, resort style pools with an S, pickleball, tennis, softball, basketball, wait for it, table tennis, and lawn bowling. They have an indoor track, horseshoes, a nature preserve, a fishing pier, a restaurant, and an amphitheater. Plus, it's a golf cart friendly community. Moving on, next is Heritage Cove in Fort Myers. This is a charming 55 plus gated community with approximately 529 homes. You'll find condos and villas and single-family homes with 2 or 3 bedroom layouts. You can enjoy the lakes, the walking trails, a beautiful clubhouse with a fitness center, tennis, bocce, and a very full calendar of social events. Heritage Cove is a community that is low maintenance and friendly. Now, this is retirement made easy. We're going to move on to Magnolia Landing in North Fort Myers. Now, Magnolia Landing is not a restricted 55 plus community, but it's a very popular retirement friendly community with about 1,100 homes. It's actually my favorite retirement community in this area. D.R. Horton is currently building villas and single families in Magnolia Landing, and I have personally sold 3 homes in this awesome community. Now, there are sidewalks everywhere and the mature landscaping is so beautiful. The amenities include a clubhouse, a fitness center with a pool, there's pickleball and shuffleboard, and a golf club with a restaurant and an 18-hole golf course with a putting green. Magnolia Landing is classic Florida golf living, and they have lots of social events to keep you on the go. We're going to head inland and to the south and east to Alva, where we have the Cascades at River Hall. This gated 55 plus section of the River Hall community has around 600 single-family homes. You'll enjoy a 5,000 square foot clubhouse where there are tons of social activities. There's a fitness center, a small library, a wonderful pool. There's tennis, bocce, pickleball, and lots of walking trails. And if you're a golfer, you can opt into the Davis Love III designed course in the River Hall community. Now let's head south to Estero and talk about the Cascades at Estero. This is a fully built out 55 plus community with 614 homes built between 2002 and 2007. This community features a 28,000 square foot clubhouse, an oversized outdoor pool with an attached indoor swimming pool. They have a ballroom and billiards, a fitness center, a hobby and craft room with a kiln for pottery. There's also pickleball, tennis, and much more. The Cascades at Estero is a peaceful and well-kept option for full-time or seasonal snowbird living. Also in Estero is our next community, which is Tidewater by Del Webb. This is a 55 plus natural gas community with 380 single-family homes and attached villas, and those were built starting in 2015. Amenities include a 2-story clubhouse, a resort-style pool, a barefoot bar, a fire pit, a dog park, a movement studio. There's pickleball, tennis, an event lawn, and I know this is amazing, a butterfly garden, lots of walking and biking trails, as well as many scenic lakes and an on-site lifestyle director. This is one of the most social and active newer 55 plus communities in Estero. Next up, and we'll move a little bit further south to Bonita Springs, is luxury living at Valencia Bonita. And GL Homes built the homes in Valencia at Bonita. This also is a natural gas community and offers just under 1,000 homes with 20 different floor plans. At the center of this community is the 45,000 square foot clubhouse, which has a culinary studio, a spa, a theater, billiards, tennis, pickleball, bocce. You don't even have to leave this community because they even have a beauty salon. There's a dog park, a restaurant, a sports lounge, a tennis pro shop, indoor and outdoor cafe, a resort-style pool, a lap pool, a resistance pool, and for the kids, a wading pool. And lots of walking and biking trails that meander throughout the entire community. So if you're looking for upscale, resort-style retirement, Valencia Bonita delivers. Let's head back to North Fort Myers, to Del Webb, Oak Creek. Oak Creek is one of the newest 55 plus communities in the North Fort Myers area, and it's also a natural gas community. The grand 13,000 square foot clubhouse actually just opened, and it provides lots of social spaces. There's a resort pool, there's pickleball and bocce, a fire pit lounge, how cool is that? Fitness center and group exercise studio, a hobby room, a restaurant, a dog park, and of course, walking trails. Now, if you have a friend, and this is just an aside, or a family member that's kind of on the fence about moving permanently to Paradise, right out in front of Oak Creek is a small 55 plus rental community, and it's new. And it's called Seneca at Oak Creek. And they have villas for rent starting at about $1,800 a month. Last, but certainly not least, and still in North Fort Myers, is The Shores at Brightwater. This is also really a brand new 55 plus community, and it is built right across the street from Brightwater. So the 55 plus portion is called The Shores. And Brightwater is built around a 6-acre man-made lagoon. The Crystal Lagoon includes a swim-up bar, a beach, a water slide, and this is amazing, an inflatable obstacle course, as well as an amphitheater. Now, you're going to be the coolest grandparents around when the kids come to visit and you take them to the lagoon. Back across the street at the shores, you'll also find a clubhouse, a fitness center, of course a pool, pickleball, a dog park, and lots of walking and biking trails. The shores at Brightwater is really ideal if you are looking for that I'm on vacation every single day lifestyle. So, which of these 9 communities felt like home to you? It might be really hard just to choose one of them. But if you're thinking about relocating or retiring or finding the right 55 plus community in Southwest Florida, Team Sunshine would love to be your guides. Click on that link right below to schedule a quick phone call with us so we can find out more about you and your wants and your needs and perhaps even your timeline. Or if you'd like, shoot a picture of this QR code to sign up for a free account on our website. So you can start browsing homes today and check out all the information about Southwest Florida that's on our website. I'm Sunshine Sherry with Team Sunshine and RE/MAX, and I can't wait to be your guide in making this next chapter of your life the best one yet. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell so you never miss a tip on living in paradise in Southwest Florida. And take a look at these videos if you want more information on living in my town, which is Cape Coral. I'll see you on the next video.